Lego Serious Play is a methodology that helps teams share ideas, engage in deep discussions, and even find solutions to the most complex problems. We have used Lego Serious Play for helping companies have a shared vision with their employees, help teams in HR and finance to manage their finances better. We've done it for just brainstorming to help teams understand each other and perform better.
And the team, we are aiming to the one final goal, which is success to the bright future.
There are different colors because we have different views and goals and so on.
One expressed his own personality in a different way.
We're becoming wiser together.
Lego Serious Play has many applications. It can be used to help teams communicate better, have more engagement, and we can even build systems around the problem in order to find solutions that usually is very difficult to illustrate or convey in just normal meetings.
What these different connections represent. So during today's Lego Serious Play workshop, we as a team have built our vision with Lego and we've shared that vision with each other. It's been a powerful exercise and experience because it forces us to reflect, but also opens our mind to new ways of viewing what we do.
Know-how of transferring that challenge to an opportunity. And this is the
ورشة الليجو تساعدنا احنا كفريق متكامل هني ان كل واحد عن طريق نموذج الليجو يعبر عن الرؤية اللي في باله، يعبر عن شخصيته، يعبر عن التحديات اللي تواجهه.
What I've learned today is that this workshop allowed us to create stronger relationships with each other.
When you build things in 3D, you're also building it in your mind. You're able to access that deep knowledge. So that's something that you've all experienced now, and I encourage you to always use your hands. You'll always be able to tap and find amazing knowledge within you.